Hey everyone, it's Steve Schmid again with Simple Pump Company. Wanted to tell everybody about a new little tool that we've got here that makes it much easier to remove the handle. We know a lot of our customers want to remove the handle and potentially lower the pump just to make it less obvious. So the difficult thing about removing that handle is that by design, this handle controls the stroke of the pump. And as you notice, when you assemble your handle, you have to lift up on the rod to connect everything. These bolts, the geometry of this won't line up because typically this clevis is sitting somewhere, would be sitting somewhere down here. And it just makes it more difficult, especially for those that have deeper sets, to hook everything up and then lift up on the pump and then line up the bracket and get the bolts in. It just makes it very difficult. So we've got just a small piece of machined PVC that's been opened up to fit the size of the rod, and all you would do is pull down the handle, pop it over, then the weight of the water is going to bring that back against that, and this now brings the geometry up such that all of these can be removed. So we'll grab our wrench here, our Allen wrench. It's a 3/16, and now we can, without worrying about the bracket moving or any kind of pressure on the bracket while you're doing this. Just have to hold the weight of the handle up. And that's disconnected. Put your bolts to the side. Just remove your clevis pin. There's a little spring on there. Grab your shims, and now your handle's off. It's that simple. And then, of course, when you want to put it back on, which is always tricky anyway with these shims, but you hold your shims, get that back in there, and line the shim on the other side. Get your pin in. You've got your bolts. Yeah, now if you see, you bring up the handle, and now the handle is just a lot lighter than all that water that's sitting on the pump. Get one started. Goes tight, pull up a little bit, pull that off, and now you got full stroke of your handle. So these will be included with a standard pump system. Anytime a PHA2 or PHA47 or even a suction pump are ordered, this will come automatically with that component. Just wanted to share the new component with you guys. Really appreciate your time. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.